So the benefit of synthetic is that it is having cost cutting, less margin required. You can scale up your business. Option writing strategy, which we discussed initially, that you can sell options and generate money, but that is having unlimited loss risk. Gap up, gap down risk. If volatility rises, it can create losses. Yeah, you will get the screen, Mr. Subramanian. And heavy movement. So these type of risks are there when you are selling options. So you need to understand that how all these strategies are behaving, how we can generate money, how we can lose money, how we can restrict our losses, how we can become more efficient in option strategies. So that requires the understanding of all these strategies in little bit depth. Now I will take around next 10 minutes more to conclude this. The next 13 slides are really very useful. Anjan, delta neutral is not as of now in your syllabus. It will take a little bit more time to explain. So the rules for this good trading skill is, the first is you should make your entry difficult and exit easy. Normally people are behaving like Abhimanyu. They enter into the Chakravyuh, but they don't know that how to get exit from this Chakravyuh. So whenever you make any strategy, you should understand, you should be very clear that at what level I am going to get exit. In favorable scenario, at what level I will be out from the market, and in unfavorable scenario, at what level I will be out from the market. So every time you should first understand your exit, then only you should take your entry. Always try to follow maximum 2 strategies at a time. Normally I've seen a lot of people who get some confidence in option strategies, so they make more than 10-15 strategies at a time, and then they become very confused at how to handle all these strategies. So they earn in one strategy and they lose in another strategy, and normally net they are not making money. So our preference is that you should define your risk appetite, you should define your view, and then you should select 1 or 2 strategies, and you should focus on those 2 strategies full maturity. Just believe me, it will generate a lot of returns for you. Then you should have fund management planning. Normally in F&O, people lose money when broker calls them that you are having this much M2M, either you pay immediately or you square up your position. And at a very bad level, they have to exit from the market. So if your fund management planning is good, you can make good returns. Okay, entry difficult. This is your question is entry difficult. How to make entry difficult? Entry difficult means, if I just explained you that Stradle is making money when market is volatile, and you written that at this level this strategy is good, so this is called easy entry. But before making this strategy, you should check some past data. You should check behavior of market. You should try to understand that at different level how much this Stradle value will become. You should understand the strategy in depth. You should see some Google and YouTube about long Stradle. You should try to understand that what are the negative points of long Stradle strategy. So for doing this homework, it will become difficult for you. This is called difficult entry. Getting this? So whenever we initiate any strategy, we should understand their pros and cons in full detail. So after that you will get good confidence. Thank you. Thanks. Borrow is not good for this. Don't try to make this type of commitment that I will pay 12% and I will generate 25% from this market, so at 13% will become my return. So it is very nice if you can put your own money and if you can trade till the level of your investment capacity only. Define your limits. Don't overtrade. Means we can define that this is my limit. I should not go beyond 3 lots, beyond 5 lots, beyond 50 lots, irrespective of whether I'm making money or I'm losing money. Subramanian, the question is, strategy is applicable to stocks. See, strategies are, do we get the session video on YouTube? Yeah, you will get this video on YouTube. Yeah. Follow profit and loss limit. Means you should find your P&L limit also. Many times, we may not understand that what will become my maximum loss. So at that time, we can define our max loss limit, that I am not having the risk appetite to incur more than 5,000 rupee loss in one trade. So if in any case, if I reach to the level of 5,000 rupee loss, I will not try to refine the strategy. At that time, I am going to book the loss at that level. I will again consider all the points where I have forgotten or which mistake I have done, and I will make fresh entry with fresh trade. But in one trade, my max loss limit is defined. Are you getting this, my dear friends? I bought Adani one future lot 46, solve this. Please don't ask me all these questions, please. And don't panic. Whenever you're stuck in a trade and you don't know what is the exit, so if you are having the Abhimanyu strategy, then the best strategy is that book that strategy as of that level, square it off, and again consider all the next and make fresh entry. That will give you more clear way to make money. Okay, every strategy requires some time. Don't try to make money in an hour, in 2 hours, or in 60, 50, 20 minutes. It is good to make strategy for full maturity and define your loss by that way only. Means if you are having the appetite of 2,500 rupees only, then also I can tell that there are a lot of strategies are available in the market. Are you understanding this point? Means if you are having the risk appetite of 1,000 P only, then also the strategies are available. So you can define your limit and you can test all the strategies. You should make very good homework. Always try to get new ideas. Learn from these type of webinars, YouTube, Google. All these things are free actually. So if you ask a question how to make bull call trade, around 50 sites will come at your desktop to explain you how to make bull call trade. Be practical. Don't try to get back your loss. If you have incurred loss because of any reason, so don't try to cover the loss on immediate basis. Because for that you have to take little bit high risk. So normally 90% people are losing more money to cover under loss. So just accept whatever has happened, and now with the fresh risk appetite and with the fresh idea, you start trading. Be social, spare some money for charity also. Means you can make some commitment that if I earn 10,000, I will do this. I think this is a very good way to make money. Limit trade quantity. Your quantity should be limited. Your quantity should be identified at the initial level, that I am going to trade at max at this level. You can use collaterals. Collateral means stocks. There is no need to pay full money in check only. You can pay few stocks also, and by using those stocks you can make all these strategies. Now what you can do, we have developed one course called Basic Option Trader. This Basic Option Trader is giving the full idea of how to make money through all these strategies. Whatever strategies we have written over in this presentation, bull call spread, bull put spread, buy call, sell call, ratio spread, call ratio front spread, put ratio front spread, call ratio back spread, put ratio back spread. Okay, can you listen my voice now? Can you hear me? So the different type of, so the different type of strategies, bullish, bearish, range bound, volatile, arbitrage strategies, limited loss strategies, unlimited loss strategies, time value strategies, all these strategies we have developed one course called Basic Option Trader. You can view this course from elearnmarket.com. You can go there in courses, heading, there is a course called Basic Option Trader. You can opt that. You can see the introduction course content over there. What type of strategies are included over there. I myself have recorded this full course, and we have developed test series over there. So after learning, after listening this full session, you need to appear the test for every YouTube. So there are almost 50 YouTubes there explaining all these strategies. The language of this course is in Hindi. So you can log in through your details as well as through Facebook. Yeah, Amjan, you may get in English also. Means we have recorded the session in English also. So you may get. So by that way, you can opt this course. And for more details, you can get in touch with elearnmarket.com.